This is a rare 1984 Schwinn Thrasher bike. You do not see a bike like this anymore, and they're very valuable from what I understand. And it's all original. There's no aftermarket anything on this bike. The seat is original. That's 40-year-old foam seat, and it's got some life left. There is nothing wrong with this bike. The tires are fairly new. Obviously, you can't keep tires that are 40 years old. And this is a very rare item. Would I ever sell it? If a collector comes around, maybe. This is normal. This is called the V-bar. I did not know that. This is supposed to be like that. Rides like a champ. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this thing. And honestly, it's a good little joyrider. I don't recommend going uphill with it, but it's not bad.